Hello, my darling.
Darling? Who is this?
What? Did you forget me so quickly? It's Jacob. Remember? I took you home from the bar. We spent the night together.
Yes, I remember now. Why are you calling me?
Why? Because I miss you. I have been thinking about you a lot. Come over to my house. I'm alone, and I need you.
No, I stopped doing this. I can't go there. Find someone else if you are lonely.
I don't want someone else, Julie. I want you. Please, don't say no.
Look, Mr. Jacob, I said no. Don't you understand? Stop calling me.
Wait. What if I offer you something? I will give you $5,000.
What? How much did you say?
I said $5,000. Come over, and the money is yours.
Give me some time to think about it. I will call you later.
All right, but don't take too long. I will be waiting.
We will see. Goodbye, Jacob.
Bye, my darling.
Darling? What a joke. $5,000. That's a lot of money. I could do so much with it. Maybe I should go. Spending one night with him isn't such a big deal, is it? I will just lie to Mom. She won't even know. Hello?
Hi Daria, how are you?
I'm good, Dimitri. How about you?
I'm good as well, thanks. What are you doing?
I'm on my way to work.
Oh, I see. Can we meet after your work? I really want to see you.
I would love to, Dimitri, but I have some things to do in the evening. I'm so sorry. I will see you tomorrow at your place instead.
It's okay. But come a little early tomorrow then. I want to spend more time with you, my love.
I will, don't worry.
I love you, Daria. Take care on your way.
I love you too, Dimitri. You take care as well.
Can you handle all the household work efficiently? I need someone who can manage everything within an hour.
Yes, madam. I'm a quick worker. Please don't worry, I can manage it.
You don't look like a maid. If you don't mind me asking, why are you doing this?
I have responsibilities, madam. I have a sick mother. And I need money to pay for her treatment and my studies.
Oh, I see. So you are a student?
Yes, I'm studying hard. And I will graduate next year.
That's wonderful. You have so much on your plate, yet you are managing it all. I really hope you achieve great success in life.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
Here, take this. It's a small advance to help you get started.
Oh no. I can't take this now. I haven't even started working yet.
Please take it, dear. I can see you need it. Consider it a little support for your hard work and determination.
for Jacob. And who are you?
I'm his mother. I don't think I've seen you before. Why do you want to meet Jacob?
Well, I'm his best friend. He called and asked me to come here.
Hello, my dear friend Julie. How are you?
I'm good, Jacob.
Jacob, who is she? And why did you call her here?
Mom, she is my best friend. We just wanted to have some fun.
How many girlfriends do you have? Why are you doing this? Why are you ruining your life?
Just chill, Mom. We will have a drink and she will leave. Why are you so angry? Julie, why don't you come to my room?
You told me you were alone at home. Why is your mom here?
I'm sorry, Julie. She just came an hour ago. She wanted to hire a maid, that's why she is here.
Okay, so what's the plan for tonight?
We will have some fun here, and then I will take you to the disco. We are going to have a lot of fun tonight.
Okay, but I need my payment in advance.
Of course, my darling. Your money is ready. You just have to make me happy.
Don't worry about that. Let's start the fun, shall we?